Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to see how we are going to install Chip Architect Premier software. So guys, subscribe and like our channel. We are going to see how we install Chip Architect architectural design software. Let us see directly does install, so we will directly go. Okay, we'll open the setup. Okay. After completing this installation, we will copy all the files which is located within the Clark folder. We'll copy and paste it to the software destination. So ready. So we will unselect this because we didn't crack the software. That is what you will come. We'll copy this. Copy. Then we'll go to file TIFF. This. So in the file location, here we'll paste the Clark file. Place. That's all. Brothers and sisters, please subscribe and like our channel so that we will do more. In the next episode, we are going to see about how we install Star Pro Connect Edition, which is a structural design software. So brothers, don't forget to subscribe our channel. That's all.